So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called GetUpside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas. All you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called GetUpside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So in today's video, we're talking about something very interesting that's going on in the rideshare world. Well, as you guys know, Uber and Lyft have seen a huge decrease in traffic through the COVID-19 pandemic, except Uber has Uber Eats, Uber Freight, and a number of other businesses that they're working on. But Lyft has been low. But with Uber, now that they're trying to pick up traffic with rideshare, they're doing a few different things in order to get that traffic up. And one of the things that they're doing right now, not necessarily having to do with traffic, but I think it is having to do with the whole AB5 bill that's coming out, or that got passed into law. And essentially, California is trying to reclassify Uber drivers as employees, and essentially the whole country probably will as well soon. I think they're doing this in order to give drivers a more, some more protection, that they're not giving Uber money from their fares, but at the same time they're charging drivers, which is kind of interesting because they're charging drivers to drive. You don't have to, it's optional, but the option is definitely there. So is it a scam? That's what we're going to be looking at today, and I want to hear your thoughts too. So let me sync up my phone here and go over all the juicy details. This is the email I got today, just about 3 hours ago now. So this is very very new news. By the way, guys, if you want a free stock, I'm gonna leave a link down below. I know I've been investing in cryptocurrency lately. I invested into Dogecoin. This coin is being blasted all over TikTok. I bought in. I'm up like $1,000. What am I up? I'm up like $1,000. I know it says 574, but I sold and then I bought more. I don't really know how that works, but I spent 4,200 and now I'm at 5,200. I don't buy stocks. The only stock I have is Cody and Doge, but Cody, it was just a free stock I got for with the invite thing. Regardless, use the link down below. Let me show you guys this email with Uber Drive Pass, an additional way to earn. Get 0% fees when you buy a Drive Pass. In Orange County, you now have access to an additional way to earn called Drive Pass, which will replace existing promotions in your city. Drive Pass is another step. I don't want to make this video too long, guys. You guys can look at all the details yourself. If you want to look at this email, you can just pause the video at any time and you'll be able to read any of this email that you got. I think this is only in California right now, but maybe I should leave a link right here too. Oh, is it in the app too? Let's see. Jordan Belper. Oh, here it is. This is it, guys. They're offering a discount this week, I guess, because it's, they're starting it out, but typically $30 for 10 rides. It's a 0% service fee, so you're not paying Uber the 25%. You're keeping that, so you're paying them 0%. That's just the service fee though. Aren't there other fees too? Or am I wrong? Like a booking fee too? Isn't there like a booking fee also? You still have to pay that? So you have to pay $30 for 10 rides, which, guys, if you're paying $3 a ride, I mean, come on. Some rides are like, what happens if the ride's only $4? You would have only paid Uber like $1, but now you're paying them $3 a ride, you're losing money. And I get a lot of short rides. Look at this. If you want to do 100 rides, it's up to, guys. You don't even get the full amount if you don't use it. It doesn't roll over. It expires after 7 days. Where does that say that? You will have 7 days to use the number of 0% service fee trips that you purchased. So you purchased the trips beforehand, which is really weird model, because let's say, you know, you buy 100 requests for $300. It's $50 now, but that's the intro discount, as you can see there. Intro offer. Trying to highlight it. Whatever. If you spend $300 for 100 trip requests, so let's say, you know, you want to go out and do full-time driving, they're $3 each. You might as well just do 10 by 10. There's no point in doing 100 at a time. They're all the same amount of price. They're all going to be $30. The number crossed out, that's what it's going to be after the first. Oh, it says prices will vary. Regardless, what if you buy the 100 rides and you only do, you know, 50 rides? Are they gonna give you money back? No. You only have 7 days to use the trips. It's ridiculous. What if you get sick? What if your car breaks down? What are you gonna do? You're gonna lose the money on top of having to pay to fix your car. I mean, I think this is wrong. I don't know if I would go so far as to call it a scam, because you don't have to. I just don't see anybody actually doing this. I think it might just be a PR move, PR stunt for them to show that, oh, we're offering drivers, you know, commission-free, you know, 0% commission rides. Those are my thoughts on it, but obviously I want to hear your thoughts down below. Use the link down below for both GetUpside to get cash back on your gas, and then also for Robinhood to get 1 free stock when you sign up. Thank you for watching today's video. Have a great day. Bye.